This is a quick fire with Kareena Kapoor Khan. There
Okay.
is no hamper, madam, but you better be as quick and as honest as you
Oh
can.
God, I'll
please.
try. I promise.
Yeah.
I'm not as good as people think
I'm nicer than Karan Johar.
in this.
I'm less controversial
Oh,
than
I
he
hope
is.
so.
What's the best part of being a mum?
What's the cuddles?
Oh. Do you have a favorite child?
No.
Little bit.
No.
The younger one.
No, I can't. Because it's just like, oh.
When was the last time Saif cooked for you?
He says always cooking. He loves it because I think that's like, it's like his downtime, very therapeutic kind of thing.
So the last time?
I think it was like 4 or 5 days ago.
What did he make?
He makes his favorite thing, I think, which is like pasta. That's what he loves.
What was the last present he bought you?
Well, the fact that I'm not remembering this quickly means he needs to buy me one
He
soon.
needs
I don't
to go
remember.
shopping right now.
I think so, huh? Thank you for reminding me.
What was the last present you bought yourself?
I'm quite like, I love shopping online. So I'm kind of always like, okay, what's new? Okay, let's get this. So I'm always buying something or the other for myself.
Really?
Yeah, dresses, shoes.
Fab.
Yeah,
How
proper
many
chick things.
How many Birkins do you own?
Not as many as my sister, this much I can promise you.
Give me a number.
I have no number, but Lolo is like, I don't know. Lolo is like the queen of it.
Really?
Yeah, and she's like always like tracking, like what's happening, which is this, what is new. I'm very bad at all this. I'm not into all this new kind of thing.
What's in the coffee cup you carry every day?
Black coffee or a cappuccino. Depends on my mood.
Nice. Shah Rukh, Amir, Salman. Whose film do you want to be cast in next?
I've worked with all three. So, I mean, like, I think we should either make a film with all three of them.
It's about time, huh?
It's about time
Yeah.
that, somebody casts all three of them and make a good film.
And go broke.
That also, I don't know, I guess.
Ranveer Singh, Siddharth Malhotra, Vicky Kaushal. Who is on your wish list for a hero?
I haven't worked with either.
Hmm.
So I wouldn't mind working with either of them because, I mean, they all are.
All three.
Yeah, because I'm not working, they're all like so good,
Yeah.
and have their own kind of charm.
Yeah.
And Vicky was like so amazing
Yeah.
in Sam. So I think, or any one of them, because it'll add something new to me because I've not worked with either of them.
Directors on your wish list?
I'd be biased to the females, so I would say Meghna Gulzar, Zoya Akhtar.
Nice.
I would
Lovely.
love to work with them for sure.
Super. Is Diljit Dosanjh a bigger fan of Kareena Kapoor or is Kareena a bigger fan of Diljit?
I think I'm a bigger fan of Diljit. I love his music, and I mean, I think we have a nice bond because his first film when he was here was Urta Punjab was with me,
And
so
what a film.
and an amazing film, and he was so good. We've had a great run of movies together, but yeah, I mean, but isn't the world like tripping on him?
We're obsessed with him. Does Kareena ever have a bad hair day?
Nitesh would know, but I mean, like, I think today is a bad hair day. I don't know.
Not at all.
No?
Far from it. No.
I don't know. I think it's all. I don't know. I think most of it, everybody's like, wash your hair, do this. I mean, I think most of my days are bad hair days. I always feel that.
Does Kareena ever have a bad mood day?
Bad mood day? I don't think so. I think I'm always like, in a good mood.
You're always ready.
I'm always ready to have fun, always ready to know like what's happening. I think, can't be like in a bad mood and come on shoot. I don't like that vibe.
Super.
Yeah.
You went down to size 0 for a film role. Is there anything Kareena would not do today for a film role?
I don't know. I haven't. I mean, I did size zero. That was a different time. Uh, Going back to that now is, I think, not an option. Not because of anything.
Is there something you would not do at all for a film?
I don't know. Let's see. Not really thought about it. No. What would I do? But definitely not size zero.
Not going back.
No.
One advice you'd like to give your children?
I always tell Tim and Jay that, there's nothing that kindness can't solve in your life. Whenever you feel something is going wrong, or someone's not understanding, or there is some sort of situation, I always say be kind to others and be kind to yourself, and something will work out. Because I think kindness just goes such a long way in every situation with people in life.
It's very special.
Yeah, so I that's all I keep telling them.
It's very Baba
Even
Beboji.
Yeah, but even when they were thinking, why Amma was like, be kind, be kind. I'm like, I just want to put that in their head. Somehow I'm like, if you start telling them now, they just remember somehow at the back of their head,
Yeah.
It just stays with you.
Thank you. This was very sweet. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.